In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background image on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear an image from your page background, so your design looks clean, consistent, and ready to publish. First, open the Wix website editor for the site you want to update. You'll land on the canvas where you can click and edit anything on the page. Give the editor a moment to load. Once you see your page, move your cursor over the section that currently shows the background image you want to remove. Next, click directly on that section so it becomes selected. You'll notice a thin outline or handles appear around the area, confirming that you've highlighted the correct spot. If you're working on a strip, header, or footer, make sure the outline matches the full area that holds the background image, not just a text box or a button inside it. If the wrong element gets selected, click again on the empty space of the section until the correct highlight appears. With the section selected, look for the controls that appear nearby. You should see an option labeled Image. Click Image to open the background settings for this section. This is where Wix shows you the image currently applied and gives you options to adjust or remove it. Now, remove it by clicking Delete. As soon as you do, the image will disappear from the background. Depending on your site's design, the section may revert to a default color or become transparent relative to the page background. If you were aiming for a solid look, you can later choose a color for the section background. For now, we're focusing on removing the image only. Click back on the canvas to confirm the change and make sure the image is gone. If you still see any part of the old image, double-check that you selected the correct layer or section. Sometimes images sit behind other elements, so selecting the section itself, not just a widget inside, makes the difference. When you're happy with the result, publish your changes. Click Publish so the update goes live on your site. Wix will process the update, and once it's done, click Done to return to the editor and continue working or close out. That's all there is to it. You opened the editor, selected the section with the background image, chose Image, deleted it, and published your changes. A quick tip before you go. After publishing, visit your live site on both desktop and mobile to confirm the background is clear everywhere. If you want a different look later, you can always return to the same section and choose a new image or a solid color.